Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden to Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook utilize their entire harvest year-round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my year-round harvest recipes, and that is the sun-dried tomato chicken penne pasta. I utilize fresh tomatoes and different variety of basils. The Garden to Plate journal is an important part of my process for utilizing the harvest year-round. It eliminates waste and helps stay on top of the garden needs. To purchase a copy that is printable, click on the link in the description. By removing the seeds and the core, you're going to have a better texture throughout the sauce, and the tomatoes actually hold up better. Baby Portobella mushrooms are fantastic because they're tender and delicious. Remove the stem, it uptakes the flavor much better and removes the odd texture. Combine the following for your sauce to taste. Whisk everything together so that way it's consistent. Place the mushroom slices in a preheated pan that has olive oil. Only cook the tomatoes no more than 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook them, they get mushy. Then you're going to place in the minced garlic. It only takes 30 seconds. So cook everything, move it around with your spatula, set aside because it's later going to go on over the penne pasta. Oven roasted sun-dried tomato chicken has been sliced for ideal size on plating. You're going to pour the mushroom mixture over the al dente penne pasta. And then you are going to take the sauce that you made earlier and pour it over the pasta as well. Turn the heat on medium on the stove. You're going to cook for no more than 1 minute. Now it's time for assembly. We're going to place on the sun-dried tomato chicken. Then what you're going to do is sprinkle on the basil varieties. Then, of course, the aged Parmesan cheese. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thank you very much for viewing.